By 2050, Denmark will be independent of fossil fuels, an energy-efficient society powered by wind, fueled by nature. We're already on the road to a greener future, but we're not quite there yet. Let's share experiences and inspire each other to continue the journey. It was the oil crisis in the 70s that triggered our green transition. We began to invest in renewable energy and focus on energy-efficient solutions to become independent of imported oil. Since 1980, Denmark's economy has grown by more than 70%. While our energy consumption remained the same, and CO2 emissions have been reduced. But we need to go further. Sustainable energy sources must be harnessed globally and across borders. We need to create a balanced, intelligent energy system to power our common future. More than 50% of Denmark's electricity is generated by renewables. We invest in green infrastructure and technologies across biomass, solar, geothermal energy, and not least wind energy. Our degree of self-sufficiency is around 90%. It's not just a matter of security of supply, we see it as a long-term driver for green growth. To finance the green transition, we encourage public and private partnerships and let citizens invest through shared ownership. A key driver for green growth is energy efficiency. Buildings alone account for 40% of global energy consumption. However, existing technology for energy renovation and retrofitting can save at least 50%. Investing in energy renovations is also good business with a high return on investment and short payback times. Everyone can benefit from energy-efficient solutions, for instance through district heating. In Copenhagen, the capital of Denmark, more than 95% of households are connected to district heating. Half of it is generated from renewables. Scarcity of resources is a key challenge, as 9 billion people will share the planet by 2050. The circular economy can provide an answer to this challenge by balancing resource efficiency and economic growth. In Denmark, more than 60% of our waste is recycled and reused as raw materials for production and as nutrients for agriculture. In fact, only around 5% of waste in Denmark is landfilled. By 2030, global water consumption will have increased by 30%. In Denmark, total water consumption has dropped around 40% since 1980 due to a constant focus on water savings and water efficiency. Through water management, we have reduced water leakage to well below 10%. Wastewater treatment plants are becoming energy and resource recovery facilities. And by modernizing the sewerage system, our harbour water is clean enough to swim in, increasing the quality of life. By 2050, more than 70% of the world's population will live in urban areas. Green, livable cities require a holistic approach to transportation, infrastructure, and climate adaptation. Intelligent mobility solutions combat traffic congestion, leading to reduced pollution and clean air. Climate adaptation solutions above ground create attractive blue and green spaces and are up to 50% cheaper than expanding the sewerage system. This is our state of green. We hope you feel inspired. Join the future.